Hey guys, quick update. So this is the 3D printed interior I was talking about doing. This is the end lounge car here. Feature, this plush seating or whatever you're going to call it, luxury seating back here. Larger dining. This is kind of your hallway. More dining, and then here's the lounge bar section. So you have a custom bar, the stand-to tables, little piano. Have a helper trying to introduce restrooms, and then the vestibule area. This is made to fit inside the plastic glass, or if that's what you're going to call it, it's really just plastic, but of the top of these Rivarossi cars or Concours cars. So that's how that works, and that's why if you look at the width, it's not as wide. I also worked on a second version here that is approved now. This is for a shorter version of the observation car. You can see the difference here in length. Basically, it's the exact same print. I have this set up to print in halves just for smaller 3D printers, and all I did was make some cuts and flip some stuff around so that the windows line up a little bit better and it looks a little bit better. I will get the windows put in. I'm actually going to add people to the Chicago Northwestern one, and then I'll show you some more videos of it and then show it to you on the track. Here's what it looks like fitted into the glass there as well. I'll show you that on the other one here as soon as I get the people in. Alright, here it is with people. I'm using cheapo people, if that's what you want to call them. These are from Hobby Lobby for like $5. And so they're not true 1/87th scale, so you have to kind of cut them down a little bit because they're a little too tall and things like the bartender here doesn't have any feet, in case you see that, but it makes the height look about right. But that's what it looks like, and then of course with the windows and with that on going by on the track, you're not going to notice. Alright, there we go. In the windows, I'll put it in now, I'll show you what they both look like. Alright, there you go. See, and that's what I mean by you really don't see it, so you don't need to worry too much about it, but as it quick goes by, you'll at least notice that there's an interior and some people. And here's the Southern Pacific version. You can see the painted interior a little bit better on that one, but still, not bad, huh? Alright, there's what it looks like on the track. Not bad. Very nice. And here it is, all finished. Can still see some people in there. It looks pretty decent. That matches the rest of the train now because all of them have interiors, so that's good. And at some point down the road, I might light those red lights at the end. Been thinking about it. We'll see. That might be a project for a different day. But there you have it. If you like this, it is on my Colts shop. If you want that or any other interior that I've designed, they are 50 cents for you to own the 3D printing rights to them, and I'll link it down below. You're welcome to take a look at those and print them out for yourself and make them however you want.